Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. Here's how you can do it. Open the Control Center on your iPhone. If you have an iPhone with Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. If you have an iPhone with a Home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. In the Control Center, look for the Screen Mirroring button. It looks like two rectangles overlapping each other. Tap on the Screen Mirroring button. A list of available devices will appear. Select the device you want to mirror your iPhone screen to, such as an Apple TV or a smart TV that supports AirPlay. If prompted, enter the AirPlay passcode that appears on your TV screen. Your iPhone screen will now be mirrored on your TV. And there you have it. By using this method, you can turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.